By now, you should have a good understanding as to what bridge pages are. But you may be wondering if it's worth the effort to use them, instead of simply sending your affiliate traffic straight to the sales page. After all, wouldn't that be a lot easier? Well, yes, of course, it would be easier, but would it be more effective? That's the most important thing. Ultimately, you want to do whatever makes you the most money. And unless the sales page is truly phenomenal, it's almost always a good idea to use some sort of bridge page. Squeeze pages, which are also known as lead capture pages, amongst a few other names, have one main purpose, and that is to collect leads. Generally, these leads are in the form of email addresses, but they may be telephone numbers, mobile phone numbers, or postal addresses. A well-designed squeeze page with a good quality and interesting lead magnet. Remember, that's the free offer used to entice people to give up their contact details. Can gather a large number of leads relatively easily with the right traffic. And those leads can be used to promote your current affiliate offer as well as many other offers in the future. Why throw away traffic to a single offer, especially when many visitors won't buy? It makes much better business sense to capture their information and market to them over and over again. Of course, you can also capture leads on other types of bridge pages. For example, if a product sales page isn't adequate, an affiliate could create their own sales page and offer the freebie on that page. The visitor's information can be captured and the product can be sold on the same page. Freesell pages are very effective because they can perform in ways a regular sales page can't. For example, let's say a product has a very long sales page that loses a certain percentage of visitors because they don't want to read a lot of text. The affiliate could create a simple page that details the most basic, important information, while condensing the sales page into a format that is easier to read. This could significantly boost sales. Review pages are useful if visitors seem reluctant to buy. This is especially useful in areas where there is a large amount of competition, and people are inundated with offers and they have a hard time deciding what products to purchase. They are also useful for products that are relatively expensive, because it helps put people at ease about making a large purchase. If there's a lot of competition, comparison pages can be helpful. These pages compare several similar products, allowing visitors to see which ones have the features they need at a price they feel comfortable paying. They help people choose among a slew of similar products. As you can see, bridge pages are not only helpful for the affiliate, they can also be very beneficial to visitors by helping them make informed decisions and saving them time and money in the process. In our next video, we're going to take a look at some ways to make the most effective bridge pages possible. So let's meet there.